Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Framer CMS templates for interactive sites step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Go to the official Framer CMS website. Navigate to the templates section in the menu. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. Click on the template you want to download. Read the description and check the template features. Look for the download button on the template page. Click the download button to initiate the download process. Your browser will begin downloading the template file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your downloads folder. Extract the contents of the downloaded file if it is zipped. Open Framer CMS on your computer. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. In the Framer CMS dashboard, look for the New Site option. Click on New Site to start a new project. Select the option to import templates. Browse your local files to find the downloaded template. Select the template file and click Open. Framer CMS will import the template into your project. Customize the template as needed for your site. Preview your site to see how it looks. Make any necessary adjustments before going live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.